Hello friends, welcome to my channel Upskill Hybris. Today I will be talking on Hybris promotion. This is entirely a concept in a Hybris e-commerce industry. Promotions are basically to promote your products and B2C site channels, like which is business to customer and business to business. But most oftenly promotions are used in business to customer site where business is directly supported by the your end customer, like in e-commerce industry where a customer comes to a site like Flipkart, yeah, Amazon. He sees the promoted products where an offer is there, a discount is there, like order level promotion, product level promotion, cart level promotions. Those promotions are there, and he purchased those products. So let's get started. What are promotions? Promotions means to prioritize the customer purchasing power and more sales on the platform like B2B and B2C. What is a customer psychology is always to choose the product which is discounted products with the good quality products. So promotions, when you comes to an homepage of Amazon.com, yeah, any other e-commerce website, then you would have seen on the homepage there are a lot of promoted products. Like there is a price, and that price is strict marked, and a new price is being shown. Like a product is of 10,000, but selling price is 8,500, but 1,500 is a reduced amount, which is a product level promotion they want to sell over there. Promotions are nothing but the rule that defines the action and condition based upon the customer selection. So one is product level promotion, in which when you see a site and you see a discounted value, but there are few promotions in which if you purchase a amount, let's say 100 rupees, yeah, more, then you will get some discount over there. Yeah, your cart price will be reduced to 10 rupees and your value would be 90 rupees selling amount of your whole cart model. So how promotion works is when a customer clicks on add to cart, I will show you the behavior of the promotion in out of the box and how to publish the promotion in coming minutes. So when the customer clicks on a product add to cart, then the products goes to the cart entry model. So your cart is generated, which contains cart entries. And in the cart entry model, you have a attribute named discount values, which I will show you in coming section. So what are the benefits of promotion? So promotions basic benefits are like low cost and effective marketing campaign. You can easily market the segments of customer based upon your analytics data. Like you would have any, if you have any integrations with analytics, so you send customer data in a CRM system based upon the legacy information and machine learning terminologies. You see what customer more oriented to buy in which month, gaining new customers as a result of attractive and customer oriented promotion. So this is and you, as e-commerce industry, every storefront wants more and more customer and want to sell more and more. So gaining new customers, that customer experience should be seamless as a result of an attractive and customer oriented promotion. So based upon the customer mindset, you publish those products to him where he wants to purchase it based upon his previous data, yeah, browser history. Boosting sales with product bundle and combined offer. Like you can boost sales by combining multiple products. Like if you want to buy a tennis racket, then you associate it with tennis ball. So tennis racket with tennis ball is a combined product. You can sell it with one product. You are giving one more products and with a minimum amount. Special sales of discounted products. Like if you have remaining products in your cart in your warehouses, you can fetch those information of the products uh, from the date of purchase in the warehouse to the start date and end date. Based upon the start date and end date, you can make some calculation and give a promotion over there. So unified branding thanks to global and textual promotion design. So this is unified branding across your global website. uh, yeah. So what are the drawbacks of promotion? So one of the drawback of promotion is cart calculation sometimes become over bulky. So I have given one example, which is if a cart contains many items, let's say 100, and let's say more than 25 promotions are in published state, then promotion performance is poor because for each cart level entry, the 25 promotions evaluate each cart item, and if a cart entry qualifies that active promotion rule, then whole condition and actions is evaluated. This statement means, like let's say in the e-commerce site, customers added 100 items like t-shirt, 10 types of t-shirt, 10 types of jeans, sleepers, floaters, ball, bat, all those things we are added in the cart, and there are 25 active promotions which is active in your d rule engine, your rule engine. So when your default cart calculation strategy gets called to calculate your cart, then out of the box have promotion service mechanism. In promotion service, all the promotions are binded to a rule group, your website rule. So your website is, let's say Apple UK is your website, and all those 25 promotions will be active unassociated with your website rule. So based upon your store, your base store, which is associated with your CMS site, all those promotions are fetched, and one by one it gets passed to your default calculation strategy and then promotion engine. So it takes little bit time and the performance of it is poor. Solution for this drawback is to enable a caching. So these are the three classes: caching, promotion manager, default promotion caching strategy, and promotion cart. You have to disable, uncomment these things in your promotion spring.xml file, which is an out of the box promotion extension. So I will be creating few more videos on the extensions coming days. So what are the basically two types of promotions are: product level promotions and order level promotions. Product level promotions are like bundle promotion, buy X get Y promotion, fixed price promotion, and many more. And order level promotions are like order threshold promotions, order threshold perfect partner promotions, order threshold free vouchers promotion. I will be showing you a demo now. So let's go to the back office, which I already have opened. So if you see, this is a back office of out of the box, and if you go to, all your promotions are associated in the marketing. In the marketing, you can see show publish and unpublish show all, but all out of the box promotion are associated with the promotion template. So let's go to promotion template. So these are the promotion template which is out of the box has given us, like these are the promotion through which we can clone it and create it. How you can clone it? So if you want to have a free gift, you just double click on this, and then there is this button, cloning. So you can clone it. Double click on this and just give your name. Let's say give uh, skill IPS promotion is your promotion you have cloned. So this promotion has been cloned successful, and you can see your promotion over here. It's upskill hybris. You can just check this is your upskill hybris promotion. Can double click on it. Yeah, and now if you see, we have website. This has to be associated. So we can associate the website as Apple UK. It is an out of the box. And if you have a custom store, you can associate your customer store over here. But right now I'm giving the demo on out of the box Apple UK promo group. And the priority should be what is the highest number has the highest priority. So I'm giving one, let's say 1200 as the highest number. This rule group is out of the box, which is this whole rule is grouped by this uh, Spring Bean, and the start time zone and the end time zone you can give 9 I have given, and 31st I have given. I want my promotion to be active in this time period only. And right now this is an unpublished state which you are seeing. Now let's go to condition and action, which is the most important part of the promotion. Over here you can put something, it is okay, but if you want to put something, you can put test, demo, skill, Hybris training, and then you can give your cart total, what you want your cart total to be, and for which currency. So I'm giving pound, you can give anything. And if my cart total price is more than 10, I want to give my I want to give a free gift catalog version should be April UK content catalog online free product. You can take any of the free product which you want. So right now I don't see any free product with, let's say I put search with some number. If I get, I don't have any free product as of now. So I don't want to give over here free product. We can use some more things, fixed discount on cart. I'm dragging over here. And if my price is over 10 rupees, I want to give a pound, and fixed discount is of 10 rupees. So it means that if my cart value is greater than 10 rupees, I want to give an action of 10 rupees. Like if cart is 100 rupees, which is crossing my 10 rupees, then I want to give an action of 10 rupees discount. So these are the available actions you have. You can use any of the available action based upon the customer requirement. And these are the available conditions. Based upon these conditions, those actions will get satisfied. If I go in admin tab, so maximum rule of execution, how many times you want this rule to be active. So let's say 10 times my customer can, 10 times 10 customer can use this promotion value. This is all rule actions which out of the box is generating for us. Rule conditions out of the box is generating for us, which will be processed by our rule engine. Let's give save, and then there's a button. This is publish promotion for the module. You have to select the module, promotion module, and click on OK. And then you can just go and check in your application console. You will see some message like this. For now, it's not coming. So let's wait. So you say starting rule engine. So my rule compilation job, publish job has been started, and in few seconds it will give me some result. So it say, see, rule compilation published job successfully finished. It means my promotion is now active. You see, this has been changed to published. You see, this has been changed to published. Okay. Now let me go to cart page, and if this is my out of the box storefront URL, and if I this I have only added this product to the cart, but yeah, let me. This is the out of the box page, home page, and if I go to youth and I want to Billabong t-shirt, and lets me do a product which has price of more than 10 rupees, which is $20, 20 pound. I click on add to cart, this button add to cart. It is showing me add to shopping cart, and let's do a checkout. So now my cart total is more than uh, what we have given for the promotion is, it has been have an order discount of this 30 because two promotions have been activated right now. Test demo upskill hybrid training is also active, and one more promotion is being activated. And if I delete this one, remove, and then you see it has been products has been removed from your bag, a message has been there, and if you see this 10 is been applied over there because this is about 10 pound. It means like if I open my notepad, so my cart total price is now greater than 10. So this is the action which has been performed by my promotion. Now condition says 10 should be deducted. should be reduced from the cart. So now cart total is 18.99 minus 10 has been reduced and the new price has is been in front of you. So this is how you can create a promotion and then this promotion will be cloned to cart. Now let me go to back office and show you how it looks in the cart model. So if I go to cart, so this is nothing but a your cart model, a database entry. If you see this is I have added this 8.59. It's little slow. Okay. If you see this, now if I open this and go in position in prices, you will see one. So this is your entities and this is your discount included. And if you added it, if you see this 10 GBP is your discounted amount which we have given at the time of promotion. So this is associated with the with this cart entry travel, and this is the entry which you have added in the cart. So this has a price of 18.59, but after promotion has been applied, the price is 8 uh, 8.59 value. Yeah. So this is how the promotion works, and if you see the promotion engine result, so you will see that application order promotion code. This is a code which we have created. This is name, promotion description, applied promotion, and your promotion has been published successful, applied on the cart. So thanks for watching the video. So this is my first video for my upskill hybris channel. Please subscribe, like my video, put your comment so that I can improve and give more utility videos for you. Thank you.